Welcome to Sunrise Art. Today we're going to take a used canvas and make a wonderful landscaping picture. Right now we put painter's tape in the middle of the canvas and we're going to mix titanium white with cobalt blue to make a light blue sky color at the top. I'm taking a wide brush and making cross strokes, and I'm going to paint this whole top area down to the tape in a light blue sky color, and then we'll make the clouds. Some areas are a little lighter and darker. That's fine. I've mixed it on the tray as I go along. Now we're going to let this sky blue dry for 10 minutes and then we'll continue with the clouds. Here comes the fun part. We're going to take titanium white. We're going to do some finger painting. Camera's shaking. Some finger painting. So we're going to take our finger. We're going to make motion, round circles to the right, round circles to the left, and spread it out. We're going to use a little bit on the bottom, making small clouds on the bottom, and as you go further up, your clouds are going to be bigger. So that means by the time you get up here, your clouds are going to be about this size. This is what my clouds look like right now. So you take your time, and it's all very creative with the finger movements, right and left, and you can go over a few spots and let it dry another 10 minutes and we'll continue with mountains. While we're waiting for the sky to dry, we're going to do the water before we do the mountains. So I've taken white with a little bit of phthalo blue and cobalt blue, mixed it together. We took the painter's tape off, and now we're going to do the water scene. We're just going to go back and forth like this, and we're going to go down to about almost all the way down to this area here. Fill this whole area with the blue. As you go down, you add a little bit of primary yellow and more white, and you'll have a lighter water coming closer, and further away the water is darker. And make nice back and forth strokes. Now I've taken cobalt blue, white, and a little tab of black and mixed it to make a faded color, which is the mountain, and I made it almost in the middle going up the side, and now I'm just going to fill it in. I'm going to dab my brush in a little bit of the black, add it to the color, and then I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit with the brush here and there to give it some texture around like that. And towards the top I'm going to go lighter. So here's just a little bit of texture. I'm going to add a little white with the thinner brush, and I'm going to, and that's too much white, and do the same thing with a lighter color like that towards the top where the sun is. Now I've taken burnt amber, which is a brown, and outlined an island here. So now I'm taking permanent green light with white and a dab of black, which makes it gray. So I'm just going to dab here around, which looks like bushes for now, all around like that. With the green color, I made some upward strokes. So right now I'm going to take the burnt amber and do the same thing, making upward strokes which look like tree stems like this. So I keep doing upward strokes like that and let it dry. Right now I have taken the cobalt blue and the light green, mixed it together with a little white and textured a little more green strokes up here. Then I added the black and make nice little black dots for the edge of the island. And I've taken the black and made two tree trunks, and started a bush. Now I've mixed cobalt blue, light green, and brown. Now I'm taking this fan brush. Here's the fan brush. And I'm going to start doing the pine back and forth like this. So you just sweep it a little bit back and forth like this, a little more, and you continue right through to the bottom. Now I'm going over the tree 3 times. I'm always going a little lighter, adding a little more white, and dabbing back and forth like this to give the tree texture. So that's how you do it. That was part 1, and I'm going to continue with part 2 tomorrow. So hope you had fun so far.